Do you like books? Do you like reading? Well, for all the bookworms out there, this video is for you. Imagine simply doing your hobby, enjoying reading, and at the same time, you are earning money. Isn't that great? In this video, I will teach you how you can make money and how you can earn up to $1,000 just by reading words online. You might be wondering if this is true or not. That's why you should watch this video until the very end, so you know all the steps and you can do it on your own. First of all, this is 100% free. No need for money to be prepared. No selling of anything, and basically, this is not a scam. So I am telling you, you're going to regret it if you close this video right away and miss the opportunity. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Magmoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Now before I show you the step-by-step strategy, I want you to take a look at this. I want you to see it with your own eyes, just how much money you can actually make. I'm really excited to teach you this method because it is very easy, very user-friendly. And this opportunity is going to give you so much money just by reading. I will show you exactly how it works. You do not need any experience or qualifications to do this. Now look at this. With 0 to 2 minutes of reading, you can earn up to $100 to $249. That kind of money just by 0 to 2 minutes of your life is just huge. For some people, it takes them to work days just to earn $100. Have a look at this. With 45 minutes of reading, you can earn up to $1,000 to $2,049. Imagine that within 45 minutes you can earn that kind of money, which just means that in each minute, you are earning almost $22. Now isn't that worth looking more into? I know this is a whole lot of money to promise. That is why I want you to watch till the very end so you can actually earn money and enjoy your earnings. I'll show you a few strategies as well as how to sign up, how to get approved, and how to make more money even if you spend the least amount of time. This is very important and I want you to pay 100% attention because a lot of people tend to do it wrong. They tend to waste their time, so by the end of the day, they do not earn any amount at all. And I don't want that to happen to you. So let's get to the tutorial. So first of all, I want you to go to a special website. They've been featured on Shopify, Microsoft, History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and even Hulu. These are big brands and companies that are popular and credible, so we know that they actually do give payouts to people every single day. You ready to know what website this is? Go ahead and type voices.com on your search bar. Once you're on this website, this is what your screen should look like. You're gonna receive all the payments via PayPal, but you can also choose to send your money straight to your bank account. This works in different countries, so basically on these websites, they're gonna give you a lot of different projects from different categories, and I'll show you which categories you should pick. You can select on the whole list of different projects. Let me show you what it looks like. So once you select your favorite project, they will be giving you the script, the templates, the book, and all the words that you're gonna be reading word per word. You're gonna have to record your voice and they will pay you depending on how long the project is. You can do this for 20 minutes or you can do it for an hour depending on the length. They also have unlimited jobs to offer to you. There are a lot of websites out there that you can visit, but they are not consistent on giving projects. Maybe today you're not making any money at all because the other job is so limited. But on voices.com, there are so many categories, there's a whole variety of jobs that you can pick from. Even if you only have like 5 minutes a day, even if you don't have a lot of time, you can still pick up a certain job. You can definitely do it and you can instantly earn all this money just by reading. Now, there may be some people who are right now wondering, what if I don't have a microphone? No need to worry because all you need is a regular pair of earphones and a mobile device like your iPhone or Android phone. You don't even have to show your face and risk revealing your identity. All you need is your voice. What's gonna happen is that they'll have to utilize someone's voice in various ebooks on their videos, which is why they need a little help from you. You just need to speak out loud and read all of these words and content. You don't even have to write anything. You just have to read from all the books and scripts that they provide you. By the way, since I want to know you guys a little better, comment down below your favorite book of all time. I'm so excited to read everyone's book recommendations, so make sure to comment yours down below. Or if you don't have any favorite books, maybe you could tell us any of your favorite movies as well? Because with the work you're gonna be taking through this video, you could also possibly earn by reading the screenplays for films. So why don't you just take a minute there to think about your favorite movies or maybe even series and let us know through the comments. Who knows? Maybe you could even find a job offer to read the screenplay of your favorite film. Do you have any idea how exciting that is? This is what makes the topic of this video absolutely cool. Who knew there are opportunities like this that you can find on the internet, am I right? Now let's go back to the website. I'll show you how you can sign up, how to get approved and verified in it, as well as how you can find the best project that's going to get you the most amount of money. So the question is, how can we actually apply for different jobs and get paid right? So now step number 1. I want you to click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Once you click on this one, it will pop up a new page and we will see 2 options right here. Find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects. In this case, we're going to find work as a talent to read out those words. We'll select the second option and we have to put our name, our email, our phone numbers, and also a username. You just have to put your details. Just click on this. I agree to the terms and conditions. Click on continue button, or you can just use your Google account and that's all you need. So after you sign up for a free account, you're going to see many different jobs in your dashboard once you log in, like what you're seeing right here. If you're enjoying the video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go back. There are so many different categories right now, but I'm going to show you which categories have the most amount of jobs and are very suitable for any beginner. Freelancers who apply here are working from all over the world. Now the number 1 category that you should pick on is audiobooks. Audiobooks will give you so much money like the second one, which is an explainer part. So last but not the least, the third recommended category is video games. Okay, so I want you to focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and also video games because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs and at the same time, they offer the most amount of money with the least amount of time spent. So for example, we're going to select audiobooks. Click on that and it will pop up a new page. Here are some of the examples of people working online. They work from all over the world and make money at voices.com. You can be male, female, and there are also people from different countries. Right now you can see the language that wants to read online. There are different languages here, so no matter where you are, they offer jobs. You can begin reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts, reading those words, and getting paid. Your pay depends on the hours that you're working in. So if you want to make more money, we're going to select the job that has maybe 45 minutes at least so that you will get paid $1,000 every time you do one project. So I'm going to show you some of the job opportunities that are available. So you can see I'm scrolling down like it's unlimited. They'll keep on refreshing the page and post more and more jobs so you can keep on logging in and see which one you prefer. As I told you, the most recommended category for voices.com is an audiobook. So let me show you some quick examples using audiobooks and see how much they're paying. Projects in audiobooks are very easy. They're just going to give you all the scripts, all the templates, and you just have to read them up and record using your phone, and you're going to get paid $1,000 by doing that. Also, the next most famous category is video games. So this is one example of the scripts for video games that they're going to give you. Once you select a project, this is the sample script they're going to give you and you just have to read it. They're going to show you who the client is, what their age is, gender, and some of the job descriptions. So once you click a job, the examples of the script that they're going to give you is free and you just have to read them out loud. And you're going to get paid by doing that. So if you actually download their apps on the Google Play Store or on the App Store, this is what it's going to look like. They're going to give you a script to record on your phone, you can read them out loud, and that's how it makes things so simple. You can search on voices.com, the logo should look like this, and you can download it for free. After that, you can start getting to it. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye!